Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you one of the iPhone issues or problems that people think it is a real problem and can't be fixed. No, it is just like a setting that you change on your iPhone and you make that problem for you yourself. So stay with me, I'm going to show you what is that problem and how to fix it. Now they open the App Store. They go for a specific, we can say app to download. I'm going to go with this one. Okay. Now, once you tap on install or download, you'll get that app on your iPhone. But if they go to the home screen or the pages, they cannot see that specific app that they are like downloading right now is being downloaded, or even after the download is completed or done. Now, here is what happens. Now, you're downloading an app. Now, it is complete. I can just tap on open and it will be open, but I cannot see it on my home screen. Now, I have only one page here. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to see it on any of the home screens, or we can say pages on your iPhone. Now, if I swipe left, I have the app library. Now, I can see that the newly downloaded app is right here because these are recently added apps on my device, or we can say iPhone. Now, here you can add this newly downloaded app to the home screen by tapping and holding the app and then add to home screen. Now you can see guys that I am able to add, the newly added or downloaded app to the home screen on my device. But this will be like annoying to do every time when I download a new app. Now don't worry, here is the fix. You go to the settings on your iPhone and then in the main page of the settings, just tap on home screen and app library. Now here we have newly downloaded apps. Two options available here: add to home screen and app library only. Now change it to add to home screen, and next time when you download the new or a new app on your device, it will be downloaded to the home screen without going to the app library, tapping and holding the app, that specific app, and then tapping on add to home screen. That is the fix. Now, someone would say or ask, okay, what about the previously downloaded apps? Will that bring all of them to home screen? No, that won't bring all the previously downloaded apps to the home screen because you've done that before changing this setting. Once you change the setting, from now on, when you download an app from the App Store, they will be added to the home screen. Let's try and see. I'm going to go with this one just for instance. Okay, so it's being downloaded here. As you can see, guys, it is being downloaded here. Otherwise, I'll just cancel it. This was just like an example. So that problem, that issue, you make it for yourself. Change that setting, and then it's fixed. If you liked it, share with your friends. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next one.